The Mechanics tool chest set from Grip has everything you need to get a range of jobs done. Let's see what this tool chest has to offer. It comes with both a 1/2 and 1/4 inch ratchet socket set, adapters and extension bars. The ratchet features a reverse switch and this handy quick release button that makes changing sockets easy. The socket sizes range from a 4mm to a 32mm. Also included is a voltage tester and a screwdriver with 36 driver bits. All 4 compartments are lockable using the lid as the main locking mechanism. The next compartment houses a combination of flat and Phillips screwdrivers, a shifting spanner and some nickel-plated spanners from the elusive 10 all the way up to a 19mm. The drawer below that has a vice grip and plier set consisting of a long nose, combination and water pump pliers. It also has a knife, a 5-meter tape measure, an assortment of Allen keys, a torch and most importantly, the trusty hammer. The bottom compartment can be used for storage of any other tools or gadgets that you might choose. The pressed steel powder-coated chest also has heavy-duty handles, make it very easy to lift when needed. Overall, this set is a great asset to the workshop. If you found this clip useful, like it or share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews like this, or DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.